Hi guys, in this video I provide Xiaomi X20 Plus versus Xiaomi X10 Plus. Which one is better for you? Here you can see I am in the official website of Reddit where the peoples provide their opinion regarding this. As you can see, these are the opinions provided by the peoples. One people provide the advantages and disadvantages of both. Let's see the advantage first. Hot air drying. It dries significantly faster and better. This prevents the mouths from becoming musty like with the X20 Plus, even after 6 hours. And you don't have to listen to the drying noises in the background for as long. Second, carpet cleaning and detection. The main reason I chose the X10 Plus is the carpet cleaning and detection feature. The X20 Plus could not clean my carpet that are about 1 centimeter high, example under the bed in the bedroom, and the medium pile at home. It really struggled with them. With the X20 Plus you have to manually map them in the app, but the X10 Plus detect them automatically. The X20 Plus also did a great job with low pile carpets. Additionally, I have some carpet that occasionally shift a bit, like doormats and bathroom rugs. Third, navigation. The X10 Plus does not get lost. I had a few instances with the X20 Plus. Here it got lost when I only wanted to clean specific areas. I am not sure why this only happened during spot cleaning, as there were no issue during the standard cleaning of the entire apartment. Let's see the disadvantages of both. First, transition from carpet to hard floor. Because you could preciously map out carpets in the app with the X20 Plus, it did a good job of distinguish between vacuuming and mopping. The X10 Plus is not as precise with its automatic detection, but it is still good. More expensive. Slightly similar water tank in the station. Problem with some devices. The X10 Plus has a relatively common issue where no water is drawn from the station into the robot. This happened to me as well, but I was able to fix it quite easily with compressed air spray from Action. Suction power. The X20 Plus has more suction power. However, this did not help me much since it could not even vacuum the carpet. One another people says that obstacle avoidance is good on both. Cable avoidance is bad on both. Cables are too thin to be recognized by the robots. But you have the option on board to draw no-go areas for the robots. Here you will see the reviews provided by the peoples on the official website of Reddit. Please read these reviews very carefully. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.